Okay, today I'm going to study with you guys. With you, Nicholas is here. Is Nicholas with me? This is the first recording I make using the Windows 10. So I have here the Y and X axis, and I have an object in the coordinate of 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 0, and 0, 0. And if it's going to be reflected to the y-axis, it will be then it's not really good made now. This is 1, 2. So then the object will look like this, correct? Yeah, Nicholas? So I have this object and this object here. So I have this one reflected to the y-axis, for instance. Okay, is it the one that you also get, Nicholas?
Yes, sir.
So now, how do you call the object? As I usually am doing it or was doing it in the past, I usually call it with the same name. If it's O, it becomes O or O prime, and this is the D prime, this is the C prime, and this is the B prime. Okay, let's see now, and we are going to draw conclusions out of it and try to find out, so what can you concur about it. So if it's a reflections to the y-axis, you see that the point O, which is O point O, stays the same O point O, and we call it O prime. And what about D? What coordinate do you have? 1, 2. It becomes D prime, which has the coordinate of, brother?
-1 and 1.
-1 and 1. That's right. -1 and 1. If it's point C, which has the coordinate of 2, 1, it becomes C prime,
-2,
-2, -1. Nope, wrong. Not -2, -1, but
-2 and 1. Sorry.
-2 and 1. And finally, the point B, 3, 0, will be reflected and fall into the B prime, which is -3
and 0.
and 0. So what conclusions you have here? In case you have an object named, let's say A, and the A has the coordinate of x, y, and will be reflected to the y-axis, so what will be your A prime?
-x and y.
-x and y. Alright, so that's the first transformations we have with its conclusions. Yes, arithmetically, at least we can draw conclusions, and whenever we have to reflect something to the y-axis without drawing, then we can apply this formula. Understand, brother?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm going to end the video, and let's see if we can do the same with the other problems, math problems.